Alright, hello and welcome back. In this class, we are going to learn how to add in page numbers to our documents that we are trying to create in LibreWriter. Now, right now we have our 3 pages. You can see from here, from this document, we have about 3 pages and we want to add in page numbers. Now to add in page numbers, all you need is to select the document. You can come to insert directly over here and you can see page number down here. You can click on it and it will pop out this page number wizard. Okay, so you have the option to specify the position. Usually we can have page numbers at the bottom of the page, which is the footer, and at the top of the page, which is the header, if you want to go by that. But for now, let's go with the bottom of the page, and then you can choose the alignment. How do you want it? Do you want it aligned center or left or right? You define according to your test. Let's say we align left and mirror on even pages if you want to, include page total if you want to, but I think at this point I want to keep it simple. So if you want to include page total, you can say page 2 of 20 or 3 of 20 or thereabout. You can include that if you're interested. Now down here you specify the type of page numbers that you want. Right now this is 1, 2, 3, which is the default one. If you want it to go with ABC, you can make it ABC with big or small letters. Or if you want to go into Roman numerals, you can specify all that as well. If you want to go into first, second, third, 1, 2, 3 in words or thereabout, you can see different kind of page numberings that you can easily access and assign. So let's go with the default 1, 2, 3. Left alignment and bottom of the page. So once we say okay to this, this is going to automatically assign page numbers to our document, and you can see this is page 1, this is page 2, and this is page 3. Okay, so we've selected to mirror in the even pages, so that's why it is mirrored here. Page 1, 2. If we have another page, it's going to mirror it to the right. You can see it over here. Okay, so if you don't want this, you can always customize and remove the mirroring in the even pages, which is very simple control. So this concludes this class about adding page numbers to your LibreOffice Writer document. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.